Hi everyone, welcome back to OS Stitches. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful backless maxi dress. It's elegant, flowing and perfect for the effortless classy look. And in this tutorial, I'll be cutting the front and the back together. So this method is easy for beginners. So let us get started. So I have gone ahead to fold my fabric, both the front and the back together. Looking this way, they are on fold, the front and the back, because I'll be cutting them together. So the first thing you do is to get your shoulder measurement. Since it's backless, but we're using the shoulder measurement for only the front part. And I'll be using the shoulder measurement of 8 inches plus 3 inches allowance, making a total of 11 inches. And I'll go ahead and mark. This is the 11 inches. On this part, I'll come down with 1.5 inch. This 1.5 inch is to get the front neck casing, and I'll go down to get my shoulder to waist measurement of 15, and I will mark. I'll go ahead and get the length of the dress. It all depends on the length you want to use. For me, I'll be making use of 64 inches. You might be wondering why that long, because that's what the person wants. The person wants the dress extremely long. So this is the 64 inches here, and I will mark. At the waist part, I'll be making use of waist measurement of 16 because I want it really big and flowy. So this is it. This is the 16 inches. Get my tape rule or my ruler and connect it to the shoulder part, looking this way. For this style, the ideal fabric to use is either Ankara soft crepe, so that to give it that flowy soft crepe, satin, so that to give it that flowy look. And for the casing, I will mark the 1.5 inch. So this is it. All I'll do now is to get my ruler from this part, this way, and I'll take it all down to the length of the dress. And I will connect. So this is it. Remember, I said we'll be cutting the back and the front part together. So I will mark the back. I will create this marking here, and I will get my scissors, open up this part, I'll stop at this waist part. Then for the back casing, at the waist part here, remember this is the waist part, I will go up by 1.5 inch. Just take your time, don't rush. It is easy. This is the most simplest method that you can use to get this trending backless gown, whether short or long. So I'll cut it open now. I'll cut everything all the way down. So this is it. This is for the back and this is the front. It is that simple. This is for the back. This is the front. So I will notch this part of the fabric now. This part, I will notch it, which is the waist part. I'll go ahead and notch. I will also notch this part of the fabric. So So thank you for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to OS Stitches, and stay tuned for video drop every Wednesday. Thank you very much. Bye.